Hello, everybody. I just wanted to give you all a small update, as a lot of you were asking about where we're at with the website and all the development. Okay, so I'm going to show you where we're at. We actually made a lot of good progress. Okay, and I'm going to brief you on what's next. So, first of all, we have a single page application to update, i.e., the MLM. That's going to be updated first. Okay, it's going to showcase a button to buy OXC and more in I'll make a supporting video to demonstrate that as well. And then moving on to the most interesting part. So I present to you 3, 2, 1, the landing page of the legendary club. Boom, shakatakalaka, let's go. So I'm not done. Okay. I'm not done, but made substantial progress. So here, have a look. Okay, and let's scroll together. So the first thing you fall on when you get on the website is this beautiful, beautiful, modern, slick design. Okay. Remember, this is a responsive website. I actually started from the iPhones and Android screens and tablets and moved to the desktop version. What you're seeing now is the desktop version. Okay, so here you go. So this is the landing page. Still some updates to do, okay? But this is how it will look, okay? And this is from where the central hub and everything will happen. So this is important. This is up in order we can sell NFTs, sell out the collection, get some more people into OXC, and get that DAPP up and running. All right, so let's scroll together. First thing you see, well, this will have more than NFT that changes everything. It'll have a bunch more, and all the buttons are here in order to focus on what it is that we need, which is one of two things: either to get an NFT or to get 0xc. Claim 0xc will open the DApp. So let's go ahead and click buy NFT. When you click buy NFT, you will see our new minting DApp, which is integrated on the website. And here you go, and you choose the amount of NFTs you want, and it'll calculate the amount of price relative to how much has been minted. Okay. And you can go ahead and get them. And every price segment is in relationship to how many are minted. So as before 3,000, they're at 0.75 BNB. Over 3,000, 1.5. Over 4,000, 3 BNB. And over, did I say that right? No, I didn't. Did I? Okay. So if they're were less or equal to 3,000, they're at 0.75 BNB. Less or equal to 3,500 minted, 1.5 BNB. Less or equal to 4,000, we're at 3 BNB. And less or equal to 4,211 is 6 BNBs, i.e., from 4,000 to 4,211, those last 211 will be priced at 6 BNB, which means that post sellout, the floor price is already over 6 BNB. So that's where we're focusing on and zoning in on, okay? Selling out. All right. Next step. Let's go scroll a little bit down. So what you saw there was in fact the full page to buy an NFT landing page. So that in fact, when somebody clicks the link, right? When somebody clicks the link from a Discord or Twitter or wherever, they directly can land here, okay? Instead of it being a pop-up. So this is one of the two versions, okay? Now let's go back. Okay, we scroll down and we see the statistics appear. Statistics with the total payouts, which is live, which will update every time there's an NRRD event, every time there's a claim from the staking pool of NFTs plus 0xc, okay? Next up, minted NFTs live. How many are minted? Holders, the holder count live. How many holders we got? And then BTC pool total. If you haven't watched yet, watch our BTC pool total. We already have a Bitcoin miner, and we will be getting more and more every single opportunity we got. And you'll be able to see one of two things. Actually, three. You'll see the BTC pool total, i.e., how much Bitcoin we have, the explanation and the threshold at which and what it is, and the loading bar. Okay, the loading bar, which will tell you when that asset will be redistributed. Okay, the OXC staking pool, the amount of tokens in the staking pool, and the BNB 0xc pool, which we got. Okay, and of course, as soon as it reaches that threshold, that's when the payout happens. Okay, moving on. Next up, little animation. Okay, there you go. Thought 4,211. Yes, damn right. That's how many NFTs there will ever be. Okay, it's hard coded. That's how it's gonna be. 4,211 NFTs and 4,211,000 tokens for Zurich C. Next up, okay, an explanation. Okay, we're focusing in on the most important. What is it that these NFTs and Zurich C bring? Well, claim to maximize your reward potential, becoming an NFT holder is the key. Axis are minting that by securing your own NFT and unlock a realm of rewards. Then further on, we go to explain how it works, the base reward, the NFT amount, and the total to claim from the first level, the first sort of wave of rewards on NRRD. Okay. And you will see a live timer to the next NRRD event. Okay. Let's see if I can refresh. And clicking participate will send you over to the DAPP. Okay. And the DAPP, in fact, you will be able to see everything in relationship to the events. Okay. And of course, they need to immediately obtain an NFT to participate in the events. Okay. Furthermore, growing the ecosystem. Okay. Let's scroll down. Oh, yeah. This is the most important segment of the website. This is the most important segment. Look at this. Look at this sexy bloke right here. There you go. There you go. So, as you can see, I don't know if you've noticed. No, there wasn't anything. Okay. Then, so you see there's a play button. Yes, every time, every part will have a play button because there'll be an associated video. This video you saw a particular a thumbnail and also a particular intro and a particular outro. Okay, this is sort of the family of videos in relationship to those when you click on the website. So today I'm demonstrating how it will be. Okay, in terms of the video. So when you're gonna click on these videos, the thumbnail in question will be in the same sort of family as the one you saw today. Okay. Voila. And from here, well, automatically buy NFT, buy Zurich C or claim Zurich C. Fast access right there. So join our Twitter, join our YouTube, join our Instagram. Unlock the power of NFTs just like shares in a private equity fund. Each NFT you own is a piece of the action. Experience the thrill of the NRRD's randomized dividends for short-term gains and the APY proportional dividends for long-term rewards. Invest in NFTs and Zurich C today to join our thriving community. Voila. And then, most importantly, 6 steps. Again, associated video on the 6 steps, explaining every step of the process for those newcomers, which need so they have a visual aid and an explanation video, and they get to, meet Yamap. All right. So they download MetaMask if they haven't already. If they have already, they can skip to second part, buy an NFT. Again, opens up the pop-up to buy an NFT, import the NFT, explains the procedure in order to be able to import the NFT in their wallet, import the token contract addresses. Okay. So we have multiple contract addresses here you can see. So those that are rewarded by NRRD and by Legendary Club, well, they can just quickly copy the contract addresses from one place. Okay. Very easy access to all the information, all from one platform. Okay. Making it really cool. Click there, contract address copied, and voila. Okay. Then get Zurich C. So they can get Zurich C. This will lead them to bot finance, and they can go ahead and swap their BNB for Zurich C. And last but not least is stake Zurich C to earn APY. And as you're aware, we have 3 thresholds: silver, gold, and diamond in order to be able to obtain that. There's an NFT amount and a Zurich C amount. Okay. This is the segment where we explain the NFT in 0xC and their symbiosis. A video, again, associated to it, and a diagram. And got to show you the diagram. It's not up yet. It's the most complicated part of the landing page. So let me show it to you differently. Voila. So this here is going to be a live diagram explaining how this ecosystem will work. Okay. And this was also going to be animated and dynamic. Okay. And responsive. All of the above. Voila. So you'll see projects which we're invested in and from where what is going to do what. Okay. So, but and that's, it's going to look hot. I'm telling you, it's going to look really, really hot. And so they'll be able to sort of not only grasp, but understand that it's so vital that they, in fact, own an NFT. Okay. Voila. So you've seen that. Now let's scroll a little bit more down, shall we? All right. So NRRD, WTF. Yeah, Yamap's invention, NFT randomized revenue distribution right there. Voila. That's what it is. And I explained for those. Oh, typo. I put WFT. Okay. Forgive me. Tokenomics. So a small segment on tokenomics. First of all, for the NFTs. Explaining, of course, everything, contract address associated, video associated to the tokenomics, white paper associated to Legendary Club, the rarity, so they can check the rarity of their NFTs, and the buy button again. Moving on with the distribution of the when they mint, I've moved one of them from ecosystem to stimulus package, investment, and explain where our investments from minting are going and the scenario basis NRRD, which we'll have. Okay. Voila. With always the focus on perpetual rewards. Hence, OXC, Legendary Club Ecosystem Token, where we explain everything 0xC. So if you saw, it was in the same sort of family of design. Tokenomics for the NFTs, tokenomics for 0xC, with the blockchain in question, with the supply, with the buys and sells and transfers, contract renounced, link to the contract renounced, LP locked, link to the LP locked, and a beautiful design explaining no minting, no rebasing, no team tokens, no blacklisting, no whitelisting, no contract changes, and no airdrops. Every token in circulation has been bought. Voila. So yes, OXC is utilized to distribute our user tokens as rewards for winning with Legendary Club NFTs. To maximize your reward potential, stake 0xC to claim NRRD rewards with dynamic APY. Tiered dynamic staking reward pool, as you guys know, safe badge eligible smart contract, inbuilt utility and reward system, and MLM, multi-level 7-leveled tiers. So single app application, OX Cash Top, which will be inbuilt in the DAPP shortly as soon as everything is live. Okay. For now, you can set those up on 0x Cash Top. Voila. Associated white paper, link to stake, to buy, and to DEX screener. MLM explanation, beautiful MLM explanation. Associated video to MLM explanation. Always in the same sort of frame as today. Okay, so very short intro, very short outro, and nice explanation. And I'll go obviously just in that detail of that segment. So you'll have all the information in relation very easily. So it'll be really easy to understand. Okay. Ecosystem. So we talk about our investments and details of each. So details of Vitruvio, details of our Bitcoin mining, details of 0x Cash, and everything else, and a button for searching. As yes, we of course in the future will look into expanding and diversifying more and increasing our NRRD. Associated video to explain that, and all associated when I've completely updated all this segment. Okay, voila. So partners, explaining our partners in question, press. So we'll have press release articles, new ones, of course, with the new logo, with the new everything, and what else? community. So all the links to the community, Twitter, Discord, YouTube, and obviously Discord is going to be focused on personalizing the support service. And voila, FAQ page, and there's going to be a couple more FAQ segments here. Also, we have got a terms and policy on everything, and a privacy policy. So that is all going to be done prior. So this is the landing page update demo. Okay, as you can see, we've made significant progress in a couple of weeks. Still some more tweaks here and there to go. I hope you all like it and the amount of progress we're making. Please, this is the opportunity for you to get more NFTs right now before all this is live. Remember, as soon as the DAPP is live, so that is the landing page. That is not the DAPP, right? One thing at a time, step by step. Once the landing page is live, you can still get the bonus of buy one NFT, get two free. You can still get it now. Get yourself your NFTs, get yourself your 0xC, because this is going to be your rocket ship. That's what it's going to be, the rocket ship. So I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed demonstrating you the update. I thought it was important I give you a small update. And voila. Have a lovely day. Enjoy it. Take care. Love you all. And bye.